Smart lock installation tutorial. Lock, ring lock, buckle, screw, pad, square rod, lock core, card, sleeve, screw, 4-section battery, key. Choose the right sleeve. Twist the sleeve and clamp it with pliers. And insert the square hole position of the square rod to the bottom. After twisting the lock screw, open the battery box cover, put it in the lock core. Tighten the screw and put the line into the lock core to avoid crushing. After penetrating the data cable, the square rod is installed. Tighten the screw. Connect the data cable. Put it in the battery. And cover the battery box cover. Tighten the screws. Test unlocking.